Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you are returning, you know what day it is. It's Friday and that means it is Face Mask Friday. So do you guys use the app Wish? There is tons and tons and tons and tons of cheap stuff on that app. Recently, I had purchased, well, I shouldn't say I purchased, Chris had purchased for me a Black Mask Deep Cleansing Blackhead Removal. This is one of those masks that you see online that they put on and they peel off and it's supposed to take every single pore out of your face. So this is something I've been looking forward to do all week. It's been sitting here, I haven't touched it. I've been waiting to do it just for you guys. So let's get started. I also have today that I'm going to use that I had gotten a silicone face mask applicator. Again, my face is pre-washed. I've already done that before I started. Make sure that you start with a clean, cleansed face. Ooh, it's thick. Oh wow, I've never used one of these applicators before. I'm kind of impressed. I feel like I need a bit more. So I feel like you need to put this stuff on thick. It's kind of, I don't know. I'm gonna do this side with the applicator brush. And then I think I'll do the other side with my finger. Okay, so I'm gonna finish putting this on and then I'll be back in a second when I have the other side to do. Okay, so as you can see, I've done my right side with the silicone applicator brush. I will say that I feel like it doesn't give me, I feel like the silicone brush is kind of taking off the product. I put the product on and then when I go to use it, I feel like it's taking off product as it's putting on, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna now do the other side with my hand. I'm also going to do right here. You can also see I couldn't get in with the applicator brush. I have seen online that sometimes these black peeling pore face masks will remove hair. I don't want to remove any hair from my hairline, so I'm gonna get in there with just my finger. Oh yeah, already I can tell a difference from putting it on. So it's definitely a thick consistency. I feel like you have to put a lot of product on, to be honest. The silicone brush definitely was not working the way that I wanted it to. I'm being sure to stay away. Oh, I got some of my hair there. I'm making sure to stay away from my hairline. Well, that didn't work there. So, and my eyebrows. So I'm gonna continue putting this on my face and I'll let you know how it feels in a minute. Okay, so now you can see I have applied the mask all over my face. I did go over the side that I had used with the silicone brush. I don't know if it's the consistency of the face mask, but because it's so thick based, I do feel like rubbing, as I put more on and went to go blend more on with the application brush, it kind of was taking the product that was on my face off. So I would definitely suggest using your finger. It is a sticky tacky product. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna let this dry. It doesn't really say at all on the package how long to dry it for. So I'm gonna guess maybe 15-20 minutes and then I'll be back to peel it off. Okay guys, so I've let it dry. It's probably been about, I'd say, a half an hour. It did take a lot longer to dry because it is a thicker consistency. I can feel when I go like, move my face, it starts to lift off and then I do get like an itch feeling underneath it that I wanna itch. So I'm gonna go ahead now, I'm gonna take it off. I am going to be cautious to avoid pulling too much hair on my temples. It did get a little bit into my hairline. So let's take it off and see how it feels. Oh, so it does hurt. I'm gonna start off with the edges. Oh, it hurts. Oh. Look at it. Pull out. Oh. Okay, I gotta take my glasses off now. This side's gonna hurt really bad. I'm just gonna pull it. I think I'm just gonna pull it. Should I just pull it? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh! Oh my God, that killed. My face feels really soft though. I can feel this one too. I'm just gonna do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I can feel it again. Ow. It is so sore on my temples. I don't know if you can hear the baby in the background, just so you know. Chris is in there. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's like pulling my, my mustache. Okay, I just gotta do it in one big one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, that hurts so bad. Oh my God, it's definitely gonna rip out my hair here. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Jesus, my face is like, oh my God. My initial feel right off the bat is my face feels soft. Okay, so I still have the odd little piece around here. I'm gonna go wash my face and I'll be back in a second and we'll do our final review. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and wiped all the excess product off my face with a warm face cloth. Right now, my face is feeling a little tingly cooling sensation. I'm not sure if the tingling has to do with how hard it was to rip off the mask. The only cons that I would say is the little peach fuzz that you have on your face, the little baby hairs at your temple. When the mask does dry and sit on it, it does kill when you rip it off. This mask was purchased on Wish. It ranges in between $3 and $8 depending on your seller, your shipping, and your location that you buy it. It is the Black Mask Deep Cleansing Blackhead Removal. I thought it worked great. I'm interested to see how my face feels tomorrow, which I will update you in next week's video to let you know. Regarding the face mask from last week, I had 0 problems. I had no blemishes come up. I had no spots, redness, nothing. It actually was amazing, and I will definitely be buying that mask again. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!